Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. K English Channel. I'm Kay, I'm from the USA.
Hi, I'm Booney. I'm from the USA too.
Today we learn three very common words: speak, talk, and say.
These words are easy, but many learners mix them.
After this video, you will feel clear. Booney, how was your day?
It's good. I had coffee and a quiet morning.
Nice. I had a busy morning. I spoke to many people.
You spoke to many people?
Yes, I talked with coworkers.
And what did you say to them?
I said, "Good morning. How are you?"
Perfect. You just used all three words.
Please like and subscribe for more easy English.
And comment one thing for us. Which one do you mix most? Speak, talk, or say?
Quick shock. Many people say, "I talk English."
Wrong. The correct sentence is, I speak English.
In 5 steps, you will stop guessing.
Stay to the end for a fast test. You can check yourself.
Step 1. The big idea. One simple picture. Step 1 is the big idea. Speak is about language or speaking skill. Talk is about conversation, back and forth. Say is about the words or the message.
Think like this. Speak equals language. Talk equals back and forth. Say equals the words.
If you remember this, you are already better. Now let's use real-life examples. I speak English. She speaks Spanish. Do you speak Thai? I speak a little Japanese. Please speak slowly. Please speak clearly. He speaks too fast. Can you speak louder?
I talk to my friend every day. I talk with my sister on the phone. Let's talk now. We talked for 10 minutes. They are talking in the kitchen. Don't talk during the movie.
What did you say? Please say your name. Say it again, please. He said, sorry. She says, thank you. Don't say that.
Notice something easy. Speak often connects to a language or to speaking clearly. Talk often connects to a person or a topic. Say often connects to the words.
Excuse me, do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Great. Can I talk to you for a second?
Sure, what's the problem?
I want to say thank you. You helped me.
You're welcome. What did you need?
I needed the train station.
Okay, I can show you. Hello?
Hi, Booney. Can you talk now?
Yes, I can talk.
I need to speak to you about tomorrow.
Okay, what do you want to say?
I want to say I will be late.
Thanks for saying that. See you tomorrow.
Step 2. Speak. Language and speaking skill. Step 2 is speak. Use speak for language ability. Use speak for speaking skill and how you speak. Speak can sound a little more formal than talk.
Speak is perfect for speak English, speak Spanish, speak slowly, speak clearly. It is also good for formal situations.
I speak English at work. My mom speaks 2 languages. He speaks French very well. I don't speak Chinese. Do you speak English? She speaks a little Thai.
Please speak slowly. Please speak clearly. Can you speak louder? He speaks quietly. She speaks with confidence.
I need to speak to the manager. I want to speak to my teacher. He will speak to the team. Can I speak to you for a moment? I spoke to customer service.
Small tip. At work, you can say talk to my boss, but speak to my boss sounds more formal.
Many learners say, I talk English. That is wrong. Say, I speak English.
Many learners say, I speak about my weekend. It can be okay, but it sounds less natural. Better, I talk about my weekend.
Repeat after me, one short time. Repeat after me. I speak English.
I speak English.
Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
I need to speak to the manager.
I need to speak to the manager.
Hi, I need help. Can I speak to the manager?
Yes, please wait 1 minute.
Thank you.
The manager is here now.
Hi, I want to speak about my order.
Okay, please speak calmly. What happened?
I got the wrong item.
I understand. We can fix it.
Kay, can you speak a little slower?
Yes, of course. I can speak slowly.
Thank you. I want to learn your pronunciation.
Okay, I speak, you listen, then you speak.
Great. I will try.
Speak up, please.
Speak softly.
Speak in English, please.
I'm nervous when I speak in public.
It's okay. Practice helps.
Step 3. Talk, conversation, back and forth. Step 3 is talk. Use talk for conversation. Talk is very common in daily life. Talk shows back and forth, like ping pong.
Talk has two easy patterns. Talk to someone. Talk about something.
Real-life examples. Many. I talk to my friend every night. She talks to her mom on the phone. Can I talk to you? Let's talk later. We need to talk.
I want to talk about my plan. Let's talk about dinner. They are talking about a new movie. We talked about your idea yesterday. Don't talk about that here.
I talked with my neighbor this morning. I like to talk with you. We can talk after lunch. He talks with customers all day.
Small talk is short and friendly talk. You can use it at work, at school, or in a cafe.
Common mistake. Fix it. Some learners say, I speak with my friend. It is possible, but talk with my friend is more natural. Speak is often more formal or about language. Repeat after me. One short time.
Repeat after me. Let's talk.
Let's talk.
I want to talk to you.
I want to talk to you.
Let's talk about your weekend.
Let's talk about your weekend. Role play dialogue 1. Friends. Hey, Booney, do you have time?
Yes, what's up?
Can we talk for a minute?
Sure, let's talk.
I want to talk about my weekend.
Okay, tell me about it.
I stayed home and watched a movie.
Nice. Did you talk to anyone?
Yes, I talked to my brother.
What did you talk about?
We talked about food and travel. Role play dialogue 2. Serious talk.
Kay, you look worried.
Yes, we need to talk.
Okay, I'm here.
I want to talk about our project.
Sure, what is the problem?
I feel rushed. I need more time.
Thank you for telling me.
Can we talk with the team and change the plan?
Yes, let's talk to them today.
More talk phrases, easy and useful. Talk to you soon. Let's talk again tomorrow. I don't want to talk about it. Can we talk in private?
Sure, we can talk later.
Step 4. Say the words, the message. Step 4 is say. Say is about the words. Say is about the message you give. Say often answers, what words?
If you can put the words in quotes, use say. He said, hello. She said, I'm busy.
What did you say? I didn't say that. Please say your name. Say it again, please. Say hello to your teacher. Don't say bad words.
He said he was tired. She said she is coming. They said they are late. My dad always says the same thing.
The sign says no parking. The menu says spicy. This email says meeting at 2. My ticket says seat 12. The clock says 3 o'clock.
Say can also be say to someone, but it is optional. Say it to me. Please say it to her.
How do you say this in English?
You say it like this.
Can you say that again?
Sure, I can say it again.
What do you mean when you say that?
I mean something simple.
Some learners say, tell me what you told.
That changes the meaning. If you mean the words, say, tell me what you said.
Sorry, what did you say?
I said, meet me at 5.
You said 5?
Yes, 5.
Okay, I want to say thank you for the message.
No problem.
Let me say it back. Meet you at 5.
Perfect. See you then. Kay, how do you say "sing ciao" in English?
You say hello.
Hello.
Great. Now say hello, nice to meet you.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Nice. You said it very clearly.
Thank you. I want to say it again in real life.
Step 5. Choose fast in real situations, plus the quick test.
Step 5 is choosing fast. Ask 3 simple questions. Question 1. Is it about a language or speaking skill? If yes, choose speak. Question 2. Is it about conversation, back and forth? If yes, choose talk. Question 3. Is it about the words or the message? If yes, choose say.
Now let's use real situations. We will choose fast, like real life.
Real situations. Situation. You use English at work. You say, I speak English at work.
Situation. You want to chat with your friend. You say, I want to talk to you.
Situation. You did not hear the words. You say, what did you say?
Situation. You want the topic. You say, let's talk about travel.
Situation. You need customer service. You say, I need to speak to customer service.
Situation. You want to be polite. You say hi to your mom.
Situation. You want clear pronunciation. You say, please speak slowly.
Situation. You have big news. You say, I need to talk to you. It's important.
Situation. You report exact words. You say, he said, I'm sorry.
Quick test time. Choose one word. Speak, talk, or say. Ready? 1. Do you blank English?
2. Let's blank about your weekend.
3. What did you blank?
4. Please blank slowly.
5. The sign blank no parking.
6. I need to blank to the manager.
7. Can we blank for a minute?
8. Please blank your name. Okay, answers now.
1. Do you speak English?
2. Let's talk about your weekend.
3. What did you say?
4. Please speak slowly.
5. The sign says no parking.
6. I need to speak to the manager.
7. Can we talk for a minute?
8. Please say your name. If you got 6 or more, you are doing great. If you got less, no problem. Watch again and copy the patterns.
Roleplay Dialogue 1. Restaurant. Mix all 3.
Hi, welcome.
Hi, do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Great. Can I talk to you about the menu?
Sure, what do you need?
The menu says spicy. What does that mean?
It means the food is hot.
Okay, I want to say one thing.
Yes, please.
Please, no spicy food for me.
No problem. Thank you for saying that.
Thank you. And please speak slowly. I'm learning.
Sure, we can talk slowly too. Roleplay Dialogue 2. Work. Formal and friendly.
Kay, can we talk after lunch?
Yes, we can talk. What is it about?
It's about the meeting.
Okay. I need to speak to the team first.
Good idea. What will you say?
I will say, let's keep the plan simple.
Nice. Please speak clearly in the meeting.
I will. If I say something confusing, tell me.
I will. Then we can talk and fix it.
Let's recap the 5 steps. Step 1. Big idea. Speak equals language. Talk equals back and forth. Say equals the words.
Step 2. Speak for language and speaking skill. Speak English. Speak clearly. Speak to someone more formal.
Step 3. Talk for conversation. Talk to someone. Talk about a topic.
Step 4. Say for the words and message. Say hello. What did you say? The sign says no parking.
Step 5. Choose fast with 3 questions and the quick test.
Now your turn. Comment one sentence. Use speak, talk, or say.
Example: I speak English at work.
Write your sentence now. We will read comments.
Thank you for watching Mr. K English Channel.
Please like and subscribe for more easy English.
See you next time.
Bye.